the forest also teaches us enoughness. Enoughness is ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ to live. But as a principle of equity, how to enjoy the gifts of nature without exploitation and accumulation. So here the gifts of nature without exploitation and accumulation. So just I want to be more rich, I want to gain more out of this environment, just like I would like to do the mining. So mining, when I go, I just don't bother about how much I want. I just go on digging the mother earth just for my gain, for my accumulation of money. I want to be more rich, I want more money, and that is one thing where accumulation of lot of money is done, and because of that I exploit the mother earth. The Tagore quotes from the ancient text written in the forest. So here Tagore writes one of the quotes: know all that moves in the moving world as employed by God. Know all that moves in the moving world. Know all that moves in the moving world as enveloped by God. It is being given by God to us. Whatever is moving in this world, it's given by the, evolved by the God. And find enjoyment through renunciation. So how much you want, that much you take. Others, you just go through renunciation or sad. Renunciation is the formal rejection of belief, a claim or a cause of action. So the form that is renunciation is just he renounced the worldly life ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು. So just this much is enough for me. I don't want to have much. I would like to just be in this way of sannyasa ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So like that only, the formal rejection of a belief also, it make a claim or a course of action also, it is called as. So enjoyment through renunciation. So I would like to just enjoy through renunciation, not through greed of possession. So I just love on giving anything which gives not through. I just don't want to be greedy. I'm greedy of possession. So I just want more and more. This greed creates a lot of problem, and that is one thing where I come across. I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to have much possession of whatever I want from this earth. I just have renounced this greediness. That is the thing. No species in forest appreciate the share of another species. So we see many of the, so a food, what an animal wants, it will eat that much only. It doesn't take what it wants more than what it wants to preserve, like human beings. He collects, he accumulates, he wants to be rich, richer and richest. Every species sustains itself in cooperation with others. So how much it wants, that much it takes. Extra it doesn't want. And that is it is in cooperation with others also. So not only me, others also have to feed on that, and it has got an understanding. The species have got the sustain itself in cooperation with others. The end of consumerism and accumulation is the beginning of joy of living. So what is the end of consumerism and accumulation? So consumerism and accumulation go hand in hand. So once this, I want this much, I want to be more, I want to be more richer. If you just leave it, it is the beginning of the joy of living. So we have to live happily. How we can gain the happiness is through renunciation of all this. Instead of being greedy and accumulating, we have to be beginning of living, and the joy of living has to be understood when we understand the word renunciation. The conflict between greed and compassion. So we have to understand two words here, that is greed. What is greed? It's more of greediness, what man wants. And compassion is one thing, you have to have pity over other things. You have to understand what is the suffering of others. Conquest and cooperation. So conquest and cooperation is, we have to understand not only conquering everything, but conquest is one thing which gives a self satisfaction. But to what an extent? If you are in cooperation with that, there should not be any violence. And if when you are going on having the the conquest, definitely there is violence. And if you understand the word conquest and cooperation, you will understand what. And then violence and harmony. So violence is one thing which creates a lot of pain, and if you understand and live in harmony with others, that is the definitely a peaceful way of staying. And Tagore wrote about and continues today also that we have to renounce the other bad things in us, that is greed and greed of possession, then conflict of greed and compassion. Then we have to understand conquest and cooperation, violence and harmony. If you understand that, it is the forest that can show us the way beyond this conflict. So the forest is the one thing which teaches you how to live in harmony and in a democratic way, in a natural democratic way, where unity in diversity is the main thing which tells us where we have to understand the word here. And that is what the main thing which has been given here, and Vandana Shiva explains it very well in this essay. So children, today I have ended the second lesson for you people, and here in this second lesson I have gone through our full part which has been told here, and I'll be giving you, I have already given you the notes. Please take down the notes. If you have any doubts, you can just communicate me and get it clear. Thank you, children.